Right, grade 11s. This is a video lesson just to explain to you the next step. So at this moment I have completed, as an example, my design 1, and I've put in everything that I needed for my design, my walls, my doors, my windows, my labeling here of my different room designation and what's going to be the floor finish on there. I've worked out my area, which is 25 times 15. The square meters, I've put in my dimensions here neatly. That's all freehand on that page, and it's to a scale 1:100, which basically means that one block here equals 1 meter, right? 2 meters, 3 meters, so you have 25 blocks here, which is 25 meters. Okay, I've put in my sewer line here, so that's my design 1, and I have done design number 2. There's my design number 2. Label it, everything which I have in my design 1, 2. So I've got 2 designs. So what I need to do next is that I need to evaluate both of them, and I am going to go to my computerized portfolio part where I have the selection for my solution, and there you will see good, average, below standard and poor, and then these are your descriptors here, and then you just very easy go through each one and just give each one a scoring there, and you total it for me, and then please, once you're done with that, write a short summary, few lines, and tell me that you are choosing which one, starting your paragraph here with I choose design number 2 as the layout and is more organized and blah blah blah, and all of those things which you feel coming from your specifications and motivating why you choose that specific one, design number 1 or number 2. Now, say hypothetically, I have chosen design number 2, or whatever the case may be, design number 1. Now, I'm going to go and redraw that specific one as a final. So there is my final one. Right? So you will see that I've copied that on a blank sheet of paper, not on grid paper, and I have all my walls, all my windows and doors everywhere neatly now with dimensions, which would be there as well, and you still used one block, which would be 10 millimeters, is now 1 meter, so that would have been 25 or 250 millimeters and 150 millimeters, and I've got my doors and and I copied my design that I've chosen over as is perfectly. The only difference here is that I've added my electrical components here as well. Put in my symbol for my direction, my scale, my labeling, my dimensions. And I've also added a cutting line like that. Now you can see I've circled specific sections through a door and through a window, because that's going to be your option when it comes to that sectional view, whether you want to draw a window, whether you want to draw a door, which we've done previously. So take a hard look at my design, final design, and then please you can amend yours according to what you have. And hopefully that will assist you getting your final design done. Okay, the next video will deal with the section where we're going to look at the 2 options which you might choose. All right, enjoy.